Okay, what we're doing here on 10.2, we'll call it, this is chi-squared, is we are checking for independence between the groups. So what we want to know is whether you are a college student, inner city, or suburban, if it makes a difference on how much you volunteer. So our null hypotheses then would be that how much a person volunteers is independent of whether they are a college student, inner city resident, or suburban resident. And the HA would be no, it does make, there is a dependence on that. And what I did was go ahead and set up the matrix for this. So to do that, you go second x1, let's see on this anyway, you gotta go to second matrix anyway. And then it's gonna be a 3 by 3. So we edit it, and then I put in the data there for a 3 by 3 matrix, and then I'm just going to get out of that, but it's just simply the data from these 3 columns right there. So I put those going across and down, and now I will take and get out of that, and I'll perform a chi-squared test. So you press second, and then calc, and then over to tests, and then up to chi-squared, which is letter C here, and just press enter, and everything's going to be done for you again. So your observed is an A, and B will calculate it. So I'll just go down there, and I'll press calculate, and then I find my chi-squared number is 16.69 and a p-value of 0.002. So based on that, chi-squared is equal to 16.69, and my p-value is equal to 0.002. So I would reject the null hypothesis and say it does depend on whether you're a college student, inner city resident, or suburban resident on your amount of time that you volunteer.